Hi, my name is Satish Sadasivan, and I'm really humbled to be recognized by Passion Vista International Magazine as one of the most globally admired Indians for the year 2020. It's been quite a very humbling experience, to be honest, and proud to be nominated for this and recognized by Passion Vista. Thank you so much. I think having spent a significant portion of my life overseas, especially in the US and in the Middle East, if you ask about my view of what global Indians need to do to make the country proud is to be true to their roots, true to their values. What we bring to the table as Indians is really all about honesty, hard work, and achieving bigger goals and ambitions in life. And it really doesn't matter which society or which country we live in. I think it is important to be very true to the core beliefs as an Indian and make sure that we do everything possible to contribute to the society, the country, and the motherland at a large level. I've had the opportunity to represent the country at a lot of global events, be it business, be it cultural, be it sports. And I've always taken pride in the fact that when we get over there, for sure, one, we are recognized as a breed of people that take a pride in whatever we do. We tend to thrive under any kind of situations and any kind of challenges and overcome any kind of obstacles that we might get on our day-to-day lives. But it's been a great honor representing the country in various forums across the globe. And I take significant amount of pride in having done that. I think, honestly, to the youth of today, especially the millennials, who are the future of the country. I think we are a very young country as India. The number of young people in this country far exceeds any other population in the globe today. I think one honest advice to them is to be real, is to be true to their passions. And today I think they have the opportunity to do what they're really passionate about. Maybe 10-15 years ago, when we were growing, we really didn't have that opportunity to really follow a passion. But today I think the youth have that great opportunity to be the change, to drive change not only in their lives, in their societies, but also at the country and at a global level. I think we have a great opportunity today to be seen as one of the leading superpowers in the globe. And the youth of today, especially from India, have the great opportunity to make that change and make that impact that the globe will rise and see the new shining India for us. My role model has always been, I think, from Nelson Mandela to, but right now I think for me it's Barack Obama, who I look up to. Not only for the fact that he was the ex-president of the United States, but just for the way he conducts and carries himself. He set a benchmark not only for politicians, but also for corporate business people on how to really conduct oneself when you're in public office, when you're meeting with global leaders, and how to be humble, how to show respect to everybody, and also how to be eloquent and loving and caring towards people of all castes and breeds, right? He was very successful in reaching out to people across countries, across religions, and that's something I really admire about Barack. And even if I achieve about 0.5% of what he's achieved in life, I think I would have had a great career. Passion Vista magazine, we've participated in a few events together, and I think they're doing a fantastic job of recognizing individuals who excel not only in the corporate world but also in their society role or in the in the global role that they play. So it's a great honor. It's a matter of great privilege to have been recognized by them. I would like to thank them for this opportunity, and hopefully we will be talking in the near future. Thank you so much. Jai Hind.